Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a good Christmas Eve. Alright, so this will be the last unboxing video of the year. Hopefully. Cause the mail has been slow lately. You don't know what's gonna come through. Alright, so this model comes from Diecast, or used to be called Nick's Construction Diecast. I'll put his information in the description below. Alright. Yeah. There it is. It is the brand new sorry, I got a brain pause, whatever they call it. It is a Kenworth T880 with a East Genesis frameless dump. Let's take this out the box here. I was so glad that First Gear was making a dump truck. A semi-dump truck, I should say. I was so happy when I heard about it, and I pre-ordered it pretty quick. This is awesome. This is technically my early Christmas present. I wasn't expecting this package to come today. Like I said, you know, the mail and the UPS, FedEx, they're all behind schedule due to the holiday rush. Take this out. I will do a review video of it sometime this weekend. Here it is. Maybe I can zoom in. Yeah, there we go. So here it is. And here's the dump trailer. And that is one heavy piece. I mean, holy cow. And yeah. Hope everyone enjoyed the unboxing video. There will be a review, well, showcase video I should say, this weekend. So hope everyone has a great Christmas Eve and a great Christmas and happy holidays.